What is going on, everyone? It is Tuesday, March 24th, 2026. Going to be doing today's charting session as well as a YouTube video on how I made $3,714 today trading the Nasdaq. I am live in the Discord, but this is the trade we took. Also, kind of want to go over this 300 point candle. Nice. 419, by the way. Anyway, the trade that we took today was very simple. Did scare the shit out of us a little bit, but excuse me. Set a limit at this 30-second. I wanted to just see price continue this bullish order flow. Getting this reversal, we still had London highs above us. We were rejecting true day open and had this low time frame sweep right here of the already New York low, right? And we were inverting this 1 minute at the same time. Took this 30-second. Just waited for a tap back in. Took that there. And then, yeah, just TP'd at the buy side. I did hold through 10 a.m. news. So that was one thing. This PA is having me in McDonald's application. But yeah, I'm sure most people took this. There was also this short that was good in hindsight. We had a sweep of this high. I saw some people take this as well. We had a sweep up here. And then we had an SMT at this high. And then we had displacement through this 1 minute. This is kind of like an OG type setup. Yeah, this is okay. And then the rest of the day, we just rest of AM at least accumulated. Thank God we got our trade in and out, and then we just accumulated. But was also seeing this possibility, like these equal highs, but then we just ran. Even on the 30-second, we had this basically 100-point candle. What did you guys take today? I didn't like that short. The target was high resistance, yes. Would you have taken the 30-second or the 2 minute on that short? Not necessarily. I didn't. It's not really the model anymore. If there was equal lows, maybe, or if this was a prominent swing low, but actually exactly what Logan said, this was not the highest probability low of getting hit. We had already, or we kind of had London lows right here, but I don't know. We also have this low down here, but we just traded away from it. Let's actually watch the replay of the trade. I like doing that. So you can see my thought process. So actually, this is me calculating the risk on it. Oh, I didn't even plug this bitch back in. My bad. It's in here wondering why there's no volume. What the fuck's going on? Dumbass speaker. Shit's never fucking work.
Now in pairing mode, waiting for connection.
Couldn't tell if that worked, but
connected.
all right, we're gonna invert this 30-second. I just want to take a trade to this little internal buy side. Probably gonna be setting it. Yeah, this is a bit scary, but looking back at it, Markey was like on the 1 minute. You can see we had this fair value gap that we rejected from down here. Right. So we had that fair value gap right there. We also had this order block that we could have tapped into. And then we also had this breaker up here. So we had a bunch of things protecting our stop loss. And then 10 a.m. news just fucking delivered that high. I was really not excited for that trade at all. Just, well, now I'm halfway to a payout on those accounts. And that'll be a nice 7.5K payout. I think. Yeah, 7.5K. That'll be really nice. So, just got to stay disciplined, keep the strategy going. Risking 1,000, make 1,000. That's my new Lucid's hoping for my next payout next week. Nice. Yeah, you were close as fuck to that payout. Just unfortunate that shit happened. But at the end of the day, it happens to the best of us, so don't worry. I've blown many accounts with a bunch of profit in them before, so. Hopefully adding 150K in Aloe by the end of the month. Let's go. So coming in with the lifetime. Love that, bro. You had a 2-minute short open. I did look at that. 1 minute looked a bit better. The 2-minute closure was a really low. Wait, am I tripping? Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, the 2-minute closure was really, really low. The 1 minute looked better in this scenario. Or I'm sorry, the 30-second. This one right here. There was no 1 minute, and we closed like hella late. Yeah, it did print. Don't get me wrong, but very low. All right, let's exit this replay and just see what we got going on. So we're still trading in this range. Strategies based on the last IFEG. Recently, yeah. I wouldn't say the last IFEG, but just an IFEG that's very premium or discounted. My thought process is the most confident that you are in your trade is when your stop loss is at break even and it's just like flying to your TP. So I just enter when it's flying or dumping, and then it just the next candle prints, basically. Can you show me a setup you took today, like 20 seconds? I already showed the setup today, but it was literally this. Inverted this 1 minute and then went straight higher. If you had taken like an inversion at the bottom, like say there was a 15-second, sure the R would be better, but I'm just making the same amount Just more confident because of the displacement that we had. I did, yeah, I saw that 5 minute, but I just didn't really care for it. It's not really my strategy anymore. Especially having a 98 point stop at that low, 73 at that low. And then we also left that new 5 minute below us. I think it's possible for me to scale to 50K months until I'm 18. Wait, so you're only 15? You still got the top steps? No, I don't. I think it's possible, yeah. As long as you stay dialed, stay disciplined. Don't get caught. Fuck it, 1 mil a month. Yeah, that's more live account stuff. They're getting into the live account territory. Okay. Do you guys have any other questions? Anybody? All good? Everyone good? Okay, I'm going to end this recording. I'm actually not sure I'm posting this on YouTube, but if I do end up making this video public, the link for the Discord is going to be down below. Peace.